Hey everybody, I am so excited because today is the launch of the 4th John Bead Curiosities subscription bead box. I've already taken a peek and it is fantastic. Now you might remember we started off with Mermaid Cove, which was filled with ocean and seaside inspired beads. The next month we launched Carnival, inspiring colorful beads all inspired by Carnival. For the 3rd box, we launched Venice. Everything reminded me of Italy. The beautiful Murano glass beads, the gorgeous garnet necklace, it was filled with amazing beads. And this month, you are going to love Mystical. Now, if you want beautiful beads arriving at your doorstep every month, you want to be part of John Bead's Curiosities Bead subscription box. I went through the warehouses with the staff on a trip to Toronto to pick out the beads, and let me tell you, they are filled with the most incredible beads. Beads that you will not be able to find anywhere else because John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses filled with antique Swarovski, Czech beads, beautiful glass beads from all over the world. And they are including them in these special Curiosities bead boxes. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, here we go. In every box you get a collectible postcard with a wonderful story taking you through the inspiration for the beads that are included in the box. I love these descriptions. The first thing I see is a terrific extra gift from John Bead, an intricately beaded necklace that captures the theme perfectly. Wear it, use it for inspiration, or give it away as a gift. It's packaged with a sheet of beading felt, which is a wonderful base for bead embroidered jewelry. Next are some crystal earrings, also a terrific little gift for a friend. Now onto the beads. This blue bag is huge and filled with tons of rose quartz looking glass beads in ovals and heart shapes. This yellow gossamer bag is filled with fire glazed stars and iridescent pink and blue round moons. I love that John Bead included a selection of Czech seed bead mixes. Yellows and purples mixed with beautiful little flowers, gorgeous cobalt blues, and pinks, corals, and purples. Look at these vintage blue silver line Czech glass niblet beads and the rainbow Czech glass beads. I love this mix. Everyone needs glass diamond, evil eye beads. These would make an amazing bag charm, even a fun beaded keychain. Here's a strand of lavender faceted Czech glass beads, so elegant. This amethyst bracelet is the perfect inclusion for a mystical box. Amethyst is known for wisdom, intuition, and psychic ability. Here's a big lampwork bead with copper accents and some magical, colorful, faceted crystals. Another bag of bright red glass hearts and rounds. It's so great that John Bead includes findings and silk thread and beading needles so that you can get started right away with your projects. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Mystical Curiosities bead box. Don't miss out. There are only a certain amount made each month, and once they're gone, you'll have to wait for the next one. Happy beading, everybody!